Mind if I sit down?
Hey, it's a free country.
I don't follow you.
Oh, just sit down, Seymour. It might be nice to talk to a grown-up for a change.
Well, this party is certainly a break in my routine. Normally I spend my Saturdays carefully laying out my clothes for the following week. Then I stroll down to the car wash to see if Gus is there.
Oh, yeah, you gotta keep busy. I collect matchbooks from glamorous nightclubs. It's amazing. If you just write to them and ask them nicely.
Is this how you imagined your life, Edna?
Well, yes. But then I was a very depressed child.
2 poor decisions.
Here, here.
Seymour, I told you not to play in the neighbor's yard.
It's a party, Mother. I was invited.
Well, then I must have been invited too.
Help me, Edna.
I know where we can hole up for a while.